As retirees step into what should be their golden years, many are blindsided by a brutal twist. They're being taxed again on money they already worked for: Social Security, pensions. After decades of paying in, the government circles back for one more bite, often when your income is fixed and every dollar counts. But the worst trap isn't just hidden in the tax code, it's found in bad advice. You're told to downsize your dreams, tighten your belt, and just enjoy retirement even while your savings vanish faster than you ever thought possible. You're expected to just grin and bear it, cut coupons till your fingers hurt, and pray your kids will help if it gets too bad. No wonder so many have started businesses in their 70s. Not for legacy, not for passion, but for tax relief. It's a quiet trend. Tens of thousands becoming accidental entrepreneurs just to keep the IRS from siphoning off more of their retirement check. But make no mistake, sacrificing your joy, your dignity, or your golden years is not the answer. You don't need to skip birthday gifts for the grandkids, or stop fixing up the house because it can wait until next year. You don't need to become a financial contortionist just to afford groceries without panic. And you definitely don't need to bug your friends, learn TikTok, or become some overnight tech wizard. The truth: penny pinching delays the pain, it doesn't erase it. Cutting out the fun doesn't solve the core issue. It just makes your retirement feel smaller. And relying on your nest egg alone, that's a gamble few can afford when inflation reshapes prices every month and medical bills spike without warning. The problem was never you. It's a broken system punishing you for doing everything right. So, the next time you feel the urge to cut one more corner or skip one more small joy, remember, your financial freedom doesn't require suffering. Not anymore.